Hi, we're students at the University of South Alabama in EDM 310. My name is Patrick Rhodes.
I'm Natalie Thompson.
And I'm Hannah Armstrong.
We're Group 6 doing our project on project number 14.
We're doing this lesson plan on the life cycle of plants. This is our lesson outline. The standard that we're going to be using is from the science portion. It is describe the life cycle of plants, including seed germination, growth, and reproduction. The duration of this whole lesson throughout the week is going to be less than 10 hours, probably. The 21st century competencies that will be included in this project is collaboration, communication, critical thinking, and creativity and innovation. Project summary is that the students will be creating a Google presentation on their specific life cycle the life cycle of the plant, their part of it. The driving question is, how do plants grow? The entry event will be a question with full class discussion and a video. Each group will have one Google presentation by the end of this week. And the public audience is going to be other third grade classes around the school. They're going to come in and each group will present their presentation to this group of these third graders. Also, the students' parents will come in and they will be able to listen to their children and learn more about the life cycle of plants. And also, on top of that, we're going to put the presentations on the class blog, and each student is going to put their section onto each group member's blog. The resources that we're going to be using are laptops, the smart board, and the materials that they're going to be using to research is Discovery Ed and iCurio, and a community resource that will be coming in is a local botanist, which we will get into shortly. And the reflection method is going to be a learning log blog post and whole class discussion at the end of the week.
Next is our weekly plan for this project. On Monday, we will start the class by just having a brief discussion about the life cycle of a plant. That'll last about 15 minutes. We don't want to take too long. And then we'll have a guest botanist come in, and he will actually go in depth and talk about the life cycle of a plant. And the students can ask questions if they'd like. They can also use this as a source for their Google presentations. We're going to let him talk for about 30 or 40 minutes. On Tuesday, we're going to have a specific discussion on seeds and seed germination. We're also going to hand out peanuts to compare to a diagram of a seed. After that, we're going to have the students work on the research for their Google Doc presentation. On Wednesday, we're going to have a specific discussion on maturation and reproduction. Then after that, it's going to take about 15 minutes. After that, we'll have the students work on their Google Doc presentations.
On Thursday, we're going to create a Google presentation. We're going to help the students there troubleshoot any problem they are having with their presentations. On Friday, we're going to present the presentations, the whole class reflection on the project, and information learned. And after that, we will have after reflection is complete, allow time for students to upload their group presentations onto their blogs.
This is the group rubric that we're going to be using. We're going to grade them. 4 is the highest you can get, 1 is the lowest. We're going to grade them on how they organize their information in their Google Doc presentation. We're going to grade them on the delegation of the responsibility, make sure that everybody had a responsibility in their project. Then we're going to grade them on their ideas and their research questions, and just make sure that everything they researched had to do with the project. Then we're going to grade them on the quality of their sources, and on their Google Doc presentation they will have to include a slide that has their sources, and we just want to make sure that all of those sources are good sources.
Next, this is their individual rubric, and we're going to grade them on their preparedness to do this project, get up and present it, and then we're going to use them in using completed sentences Also, we're going to grade them on the content that they're using in the time limit that we're giving.
This finishes up our lesson plan for this project. I hope you have enjoyed it.
Thank you.